ಕನ್ನಡನೇ ಉಸಿರು. ಕನ್ನಡದ ಈ ಭೂಮಿ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಸ್ವೀಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಇದೊಂದು ಶಾಂತಿಯ ತೋಟ. ಯಾವುದು ಜಾತಿ ಧರ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡರ ಬಹಳ ಸಹಬಾಳ್ವೆಯಿಂದ ಬದುಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಭೂಮಿ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಭುವನೇಶ್ವರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಈಶ್ವರಿ ತಾಯಿ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಡಿನ ದೇವಿ ಚಾಮುಂಡಿ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಡೀ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಈ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಈ ತಾಯಿ ಭುವನೇಶ್ವರಿ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. 70ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಕನ್ನಡ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ 70th year of Kannada Rajyotsava we are celebrating. Thai Mother Bhuneshwari is accepting everyone. You see, this 70 years we are celebrating. We are receiving all sections of society to Karnataka, Bangalore. They are coming, they are looking at because of the best resources, good rivers, good employment opportunity, and all of them are adjusting here. That is the divine strength of Bhuneshwari. So I wish all the people who are staying in Karnataka a very happy and prosperous life. You see this year, some dams are filled twice, thrice. This is the great strength what our rich culture has. The biggest strength of Karnataka and Kannada is our culture and tradition. We would like to take forward, but at the same time, we are on the way of processing, keeping from the next year 1 month on every establishments, offices, continuously they should have a Kannada flag. Respect the Kannada flag. We, myself also, my Chief Minister also, in every offices, we are already using it. Along with our national flag, Karnataka as a separate flag. That is the biggest strength and which history has given to us. I thank all my seniors who have been showing a lot of respect. From the days of Cholas, from the days of whichever, even Vikramaditya, and all other leaders, Ashoka, all of them I have respected. And Kannada, Pampa, Ranna, and all of them, even in Vijayanagara Empire. This was been a very big history. The legacy has been taken forward. I thank all the leaders, irrespective of political party, who have stood, and all the activities who have stood in protecting this land, this language, and this culture. I wish Kannada Rajyotsava a great moment, a prosperous year for all of us. Thank you.
Some of central institutions are refusing to celebrate.
They will have to. They don't have option. If they wanted to work here, there is nothing. They'll follow the law of the land.
ಇದು ಏಷ್ಯಾನೆಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಿ.